开始吗？那边也开，你自己调一下那边的位置，鼠标也在那。直接帮卡位卖早餐。
咦，卖了？
一个塞一个。我們要放手機咩？唔使啊，唔使。我唔要。
Hello。
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, have a nice day. Today is we great to here to holding the live streaming together with you to share the any information that about our company or about our products. If you are here, please say hello to me and let me know that you are here. And I'm really want to say, express my great greeting for you. Today is Saturday, so let's going this live streaming with a very relaxing style and a very easy style that it will be like we are communicating. Hello, let me see who are here. I can see the name. Yeah. Hello, have a nice day. My name is Grace, Grace. So our company MIDA Eco-Friendly Products Co. Limited. We producing the products are we produce the biodegradable sugarcane bagasse tableware, and our factory is located in Guangdong Province, China. So the we so why it is biodegradable, because the material of it is the sugarcane bagasse, which is let me see. The material of the food. Hello, have a nice day. Uh, wish you a good day and happy weekend. Also, I'm here in the live streaming and want to share with you the information and in a very easy and in a very relaxing style. So feel free to leave your comments in my live streaming and feel free to communicate with me in this way. So maybe you can tell me what is your interesting thing happened today, and what will you do on weekend? So yes, we are a factory manufacturing the sugarcane bagasse food container, which is 100% eco-friendly, and our factory is located in Guangdong Province, China. Hello, have a nice day. So, wish you a good day today. Brian, 男生定男小姐，Hello。We are manufacturer of the sugarcane bagasse food container, and the products we have including the plates, bowls, food containers, clamshell, and as well as the tray. So the sugarcane bagasse, it is a kind of materials that can it is like the plastic, and it is like other materials that very easy to mold a tableware. So if you have your design to want to have customization service, you can share with me your design, and I will quote the prices to you, and complete the information of the products that you design, maybe about the weight, the thickness, and the appearance and the sizes. We can complete those information for you according to your designs and maybe your drawings. Uh, so we manufacturing the normal and wholesale and commercial products. So the common models we have, including the 9 inches round plate. Will including the round plate container, round plate clamshell, and the bowls with the lids, and also comes with the hamburger box. So if you have hello, have a nice day. I wish you a happy weekend, and thank you so much that on Saturday you also maybe searching on Alibaba, and so delighted that you so lucky that welcome you to come to my live streaming. So today we are factory from China that making the sugarcane bagasse tableware. The sugarcane bagasse tableware I the sugarcane bagasse tableware, it has many advantages that can lead this industry into the faction of the food packing industry, and also uh, the fashion, and also as well the business direction. Hello, have a nice day. So we are introducing the bagasse tableware. So just now I'm talking that sugarcane bagasse tableware. It is a kind of fashion, and it is also the direction of the food packing industry. Why? Because why we are calling to use the bagasse tableware? It is because now uh, now even especially in the European countries like the France, German, and maybe like United Kingdom, the many European countries and American countries that are launching the laws and policies that people should stop using the plastic tableware and plastic items like plastic straws, plastic packing, and nearly all disposable plastic packing will be prohibited in the future. And maybe also like in United Kingdom, maybe the plastic that cannot that under I remember it is under 60% of the plastic can be is compostable. That kind of plastic, the usage tax will be charged up to, I forget the statistics. So what I mean is that uh, according to the policies and laws in the European countries and American countries, that it leads to the business direction from plastic to eco-friendly packing, and it is leading, and it is also changing the business way. So maybe you have you have attention that in some restaurants, and especially in the takeout food service, while you will order the takeout food service in the restaurant, you will find that the tableware they provide is kind of eco-friendly packing, and uh, and less uh, restaurants that still providing the taking out food container, because the plastic food container, it is not 100% eco-friendly, and it is plastic. After all, it will take hundreds of years to biodegrade the plastic. Hello, have a nice day. Welcome to my live streaming. This is Grace. What's your name? So, we're talking about why we should. No, we're talking about why the Bagasse tableware it is so hot sold. Since the many countries that have the plastic banning policies and laws that have been launched in the society, that many business and many distributors, wholesalers, and supermarkets they have started selling the Bagasse tableware since a long time before, like the Walmart, and you can search on Amazon that many sellers and many stores that are selling the Bagasse tableware. So Bagasse tableware is a kind of eco-friendly tableware. The compared with the prices, it is near the plastic material items. And talking about eco-friendly, Bagasse tableware can be is compostable within 3 months and not like the plastic which will spend hundreds of years to be biodegrading. Yes, so um,
有买家进入直播间了。
if there are any information you want to know about our products, that you can feel free to write down your comments in my live streaming, and I can notice your comment anytime so that I can reply to your questions or maybe your puzzles about our company and our products. If so lucky that uh, one one person looking my live streaming, it is in this industry. So you can tell me if you recently have the purchasement plans and you can share with me your purchase list so I can quote you the factory prices or FOB prices. So uh, I would like to share the information of the products maybe one by one. Seldomly I will choose from the table. You can notice that the table is there are many products right here. So I will introduce the one that you need to me. Like this square plate. Mhm. Like this square plate. The outside is square and the inner is also square. Mm. So it is also a normal and it is a normal design and it is classical and it is the very commercial design. The size of this square plate is 6 inches, and this end on my right hand it is the 8 inches. And for our sis for our square plates, they have the two design. One design is square outside and square inner, and the other design is square outside and uh, round shape inner. Mm. So actually, I more recommend you to buy this one, which is a square inner, because
有买家进入直播间了。
hello, have a nice day. Wish you a happy weekend and wish you can enjoy the weekend. So after such a busy weekend. Mm. So if you have any questions about our products or about the materials, about the production technical, and about our company, and anything you can write on the comment. And it is a kind of communication way so we can have more communication and we can chat in my live streaming. That because I'm right here and sitting right here and I'm looking at the camera and I also can notice your comments. Mm. So on my hand the square. So just now I mentioned that I more recommend you to choose the square plate that on my left hand because it is heavier than this square plate on my right hand. So why I recommend you to choose a heavier product because heavier products it for heavier products it also means that the material it uses it is more. So more materials inside, the better the quality it will be. So maybe some customers they would prefer this one, which is inner is the round shape, and so, this plate with the inner round shape, it is lighter. So uh, so the edge of this plate right here is a little soft because it used less materials to press it. It is lighter. So talking about this one, which is heavier. So the edge of this plate is not as soft as this one. So if you are more if you are more um, if you are more care about the quality and the hardness and the sturdy of a plate, then I recommend you can choose this one, which is heavier. So if you care more about maybe the costs and prices, I recommend you to choose this one, which may even the edge may be a little soft, but the inner the base is still very hard and strong and sturdy. So people can hold it in this way, but cannot hold the edge. Mm. So. Mm, So for the square plate, there are two designs. This is the larger, which is 8 inches. So after the round plate, here comes with the after the square plate, here comes with the round plate. So for the round for so for the so for the round plate, we have different sizes, and one is for the round plate we have the different sizes. So this one it is 8 inches, and the round plate is the most wholesale and also the most commercial products on the market. And why I said that because a few days ago I searched on Google and an article in and I found an article which is saying that the in the tableware industry, the place will be the most commercial products, and no matter what materials it is. So why place can be the outstanding one? It's the report and article also saying that because that there are many parties and there are many gatherings and the place also can use in the whole Hello, have a nice day. So the place can be used in parties, gatherings, hotels, buffet, canteen, restaurants, and schools and companies, and many locations and many occasions. So the plate is so useful. So the report the report say that the report saying that the round plate should be the top one tableware in the future, in the near 10 years future. Yeah, so we need to talking about the eco-friendly. So combine these two factors, eco-friendly and plus the plate. That eco-friendly plate can be the most commercial products in the market, especially for the disposable requirements. Disposable tableware. Mm. And for the round plate, it is not the quality of the round plate is so soft. Um, we can firstly check from the bottom. It is it is not it cannot be pressed, and it is not easy to press it. The edge of the round plate is so hard, and the whole quality of the round plate is also so strong. So the place with so good quality, and as well as the so good factory prices, that the place has become the best selling in our factory. Mm. So if you are already selling the eco-friendly tableware, or if you are new and if you are new and want to doing the eco-friendly food packing industry, eco-friendly food packing products, that you don't know what products you want to start with, you can try to selling the plates first. Well, that it is the most commercial product. Mm. Um, so the place we have this 8 inches, right? And this is the 8 inches. Hmm? Okay. So you can see that the round plate, it has no compartments. So for round plates, we also there have the three compartments. Yes, which can separate the food. You can see the from the bottom, and it is very hard, and it can be used. It's so hard. It is very hard, and so it can be used as a like it's like a fan that can. So even I shake it, and there are so many wind, the plate still not out of the shape, and no folding, and no be soft, and yes, the construction of this round plate is so strong. So no matter how you use it, it is very safe, and it is no folding, and no be soft. You can see no folding, no be soft. So this way can show the hardness and the strength of this round plate. So just now this one, just now this one is 10 inches, right? And there also have the 9 inches, and you can check the sizes. 9 inches with the three compartments. The capacity is very clear that less than the 10 inches. So for 3-compartment round plates, the most recommended is the 9 inches and 10 inches. Also, there have the two compartment round plates. YouTube have one person right here. For the round plate, there also have the two compartments. Two compartments. This is the 9 inches, and this is the same 9 inches, 3 compartments. You can see the difference of them. You can see the difference of them. So for the sorry, need to reply the messages from customers. Yes, so for the two compartment, this is the two compartment. Okay. So for the round plate and for after the square plate and after the round plate, here comes with the oval plate. Oval plate, there many have two sizes. We please focus on the length. And the length of this one is 10 inches and the length of this one is 12 inches. So the length refers to from this side to this side. Yeah, so the length of this one is 12 inches. And the length of this one it is 10 inches. So this is oval shape. And you can see this one, it is the sizes of it is very large. So the weight of it is also heavy. And maybe some customers will puzzle about the price of this oval plate, why it is maybe a little high of the cost, because it is large size. So that means in production we will put more materials to manufacture it, to produce it. So the more materials we use, the cost of this plate will also be higher. So that's why the cost of this plate is high, maybe higher than the round plate. Let me tell you one interesting one thing. I think it is interesting. Let me take one container to show you. That on my hand it is a 9 inches clamshell. Yes, it is square, 9 inches, 9 inches. So this clamshell is the large size, and just now when customers, she sent me an inquiry list, and in the list she tell me that please quote me the prices according to the products that I want. And in the list, she listed the products, names, pictures, weight, materials, and other information. And while I noticed the 9 inches clamshell, yes, same as this one, 9 inches clamshell, and she required the weight of the clamshell is 30 grams. So at that moment, I was a little freezed. I was freezing. I was a little bit shocked because with so large sizes clamshell that we cannot do it at 30 gram, which is so light. 30, which is so light and with so light weight on with such large size clamshell, it is impossible. And let me tell you the normal weight of so large clamshell, 9 inches clamshell, the normal weight at least 41 gram. So no matter what suppliers you're asking from, the weight of the 9 inches clamshell at least 41 gram. Yes, this is the normal weight and the basic weight at least 41 gram, that only in this weight can support the quality, can support the hardness, can support the features, functions of the disc clamshell. So maybe some people somewhat puzzled that maybe some people somewhat puzzled about let me thinking. Let me think about the 9 inches clamshell. This one, yes, at least 41 gram. So if your supplier telling you the gram of the 9 inches clamshell is less than 40 gram, your suppliers must telling lies to you. Yes, if so maybe you may thinking that this is a very normal clamshell, a very normal food containers, and um, it is in the daily use. So what is the special point of such very simple food containers? Yes, so before I came into this industry, I have the same mind as you. I would think it is a very simple product. So what will be the special point of it? So let me have more introduction and share more introduction with you. So, maybe in our daily life, the food container we use are mainly made of plastic. So people are used to use the food container that it is oil proof and waterproof, and in people's mind that a food container must be oil proof and waterproof, same as the plastic material. But since the direction of the business and that countries are paying more and more attention to eco-friendly, that in that in the market eco-friendly food packing, the business is increasing, like in Chile. So that more and more business are looking for eco-friendly food containers, and they will finally looking for the bagasse food container or the other materials, maybe like the corn popcorn straw, right? I forgot the word. Um, the business will final looking for the bagasse food container. So in order to keep the basic features and functions of a food container, that a container must oil proof and waterproof. Hello, have a nice day. So in order to keep the features of a food container same as the plastic container, that the clamshell must be have the enough thickness. So to ensure the thickness of a food container, it must have the basic weight of a food container. That, as I a story I said just now that my customers just now sent me an inquiry list, and she required so large size clamshell to be weighed 30 grams, which is totally impossible. You can please remember at least so large size, like 9 inches clamshell, at least the weight will be 40 grams. Mm. So looking forward to your comments in my live streaming. Looking forward to if you have any questions about the products, about the clamshell, feel free to tell me. Just now I'm talking the 9 inches clamshell, and this time I will show you the 8 inches clamshell. 8 inches clamshell. This one has three compartments. Is this the one that you are looking for? Because hello, have a nice day. I will catch someone to have some coming, have some talk. To what? What's the time now in United States? And a new friend from France. France, what's the time? Maybe it's the Saturday in the morning. 8 hours later than Chinese time. Yes. Hello. I'm so happy to have you in my live streaming. I'm introducing the products that our factory produce, and it's the eco-friendly food packing. Eco-friendly food packing, which is made of sugarcane bagasse and 100% biodegradable within 3 months. So it is the literally really eco-friendly food packing, and maybe you will find that maybe you will find a coffee shop downstairs at downstairs your home. Maybe there is a coffee shop or restaurant. You will find that the coffee cup they use is also the paper. You may think maybe that kind of the coffee cups is eco-friendly and compostable, but those kind of coffee cup there has a layer of the film inside to reach the features for oil-proof and waterproof. And with such a layer of film, that it will it will it also it is also means that the those kind of coffee cups it is not really eco-friendly because there is a layer of plastic film inside, and the plastic cannot be compostable. So, what is the real compostable? It is the sugarcane bagasse. So the sugarcane bagasse also exists many products, and not only the tableware, but also there has the water cups, and there has the cosmetic, cosmetic, co- cosmetic packaging. 有空吗？等我，不要，1个小时。 电锅一个，把我电脑的那个。Why the ranking came down? Hmm.
有买家进入直播间了。
Actually, we have a product catalog that if you want to have our product catalog, you just need to click the orange button on the right button position. So that I can notice your requirement and send you the catalog. So the clamshell, this one is the 8 inches, and this one is very popular because now since many customers they cannot come to China, they cannot track the factory, and they used to go shopping online and on the many e-commerce platform like Alibaba International. Um, they have used to use the e-commerce platform to buy the many products. So this situation also leads to another situation that is many customers they do purchase and they buying according to the appearance of products. That means many customers they get one product. Hello, have a nice day. Yes, maybe some customers they have one product in hand or they are selling the products and they need to repurchase the products and they will check what the appearance of the products they have and they will find online on e-commerce platform and find the same appearance of the products. So this is also kind of an interesting thing that people, since the people cannot come to China to check the products, and they will choose to buy the 100% same products online. Yes, the same, exactly the same as what they are selling. So, like this container, the design, the appearance of this container is there are no this one. Maybe is yes this one. The appearance of this one, the outer has many lines. Yeah, here has many lines, and very interested customers they will ask me for the 100 they will send a picture to me and tell me they want exactly the same products and even the same sizes they will not prefer. Guys, I need to find for example, if this food container is have the same sizes as the picture the customer sent, but the appearance not have the lines. Maybe customers don't like this, even it's the same size. So it is interesting. Uh, and also, um, I also want to talking that this one is the this design of the 8 inches clamshell is the most wholesale, and because for 8 inches clamshell, there have two designs, and one design is the concave and convex design, and the other design is the base have the lines around. And if you're interested, I can send you the pictures that you can make a compare. Um, and after that, this one is more wholesale because of one important point that it is higher. Yes. The 8 inches clamshell, we have two styles. One style, the height of it is 16.3, the height. But this one, the height is 76 millimeter. So that's why this one customers more prefer this one. So, uh, so one of my um sorry. So this clamshell that I I have a conclusion that customers prefer higher prefer deeper products. Yes, prefer deeper products. One of my Chile customer, and she asked for different samples from me and sent to Chile. So after the parcel arrived and she checked out on it that um, she have two of the samples are this clamshell 8 inches, and one is this style, and the other one is the another style. Yes, this one, and the other is this one. And she asked for these two containers from me as samples, and maybe you can check very clear that the the right side, the clamshell is more deeper than the left side. Yes, this one is more deeper. This one is shallow. So that she told me that she preferred this one because this one is too much shallow, and it cannot to contain. Uh, Hi, have a nice day. Yes, just now we're talking about my chili customer. She asked for the samples from me to send to Chile, and she tell me, this one is too shallow, this one is deeper, so she preferred this one, and finally she ordered this one, and she also explained the reasons why she preferred this one. That is, this one is deeper and also higher. You can compare these two. Yeah, you can see this one is higher. The total height is higher, and then um and then she told me because she want to hold the hamburger. The food is the hamburger, so she prefer this higher one that is suitable to hold the hamburger, and this one is too shallow, so it is not suitable to hold the hamburger. But I think uh, not all customers the food they provide is the hamburger, right? So actually, both of them are good quality, and this more shallow one, if it is used to hold the maybe noodles and maybe the meat that or maybe the salad, that it is also very useful. And if the food you will you provide the food you provide is high, then you can choose this one. So the difference of the height is is 1 centimeter, 1.1 more than a little more than 1 centimeter. Yes. So so why before the purchase, many customers they will ask me to send the samples to them because that they from because they with the samples they can check if the food can pack with the container or cannot pack with the container, so they can have more uh, more that they can have um, more they can more easily to check the 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 practical of the usage, the practical of the practical of usage of the clamshell. Okay, so just now I introduced it the 8 inches clamshell, right? Um, 8 inches clamshell and the 9 inches clamshell is this one. Oh no, this one is also 8 inches clamshell. You can check the sound is so. You can check the sound. From the sound, you also can check it is very hard and very sturdy, very strong. Right, very strong, and you cannot imagine it has so good quality, and it is 100% eco-friendly. It is biodegradable. So with so good quality of the clamshell, uh, with so good quality of the clamshell, it can ensure the functions. This clamshell is waterproof. This clamshell is waterproof and oil-proof. Yes, from the sound, you can check the quality and hardness. How to say this word? I know the sound of it is so it's so great. How to say the word is 清脆. Let me check from my dictionary. The crepes. I don't know how to describe the sound. I don't know how to describe the sound, which is so nice. The sound of this food container is so nice. From the sound, you can check it is not as soft. It is very hot and very strong. And the sugarcane bagasse that you can be used to. Hello.
I'm preparing some news, so I'm late. Sorry.
啊，係呢電可以用呢電腦都 OK 啊。
我喺度，
啊
我同你同埋另一台三台，得三台咯。
？OK，
係咪冇排得幾多？
66，好低啊！唔緊要，
多人直播
嚇？
多唔多人直播？
好似唔知道。
應該冇。星期六應該冇乜。
啊，1 2 3 4 5 6 7。啊啥？我聽我電話先。
唔知你唔知啊？等下，
你而家過嚟。
我而家過嚟。得啦。
Hello。
OK。Hello。 Okay. Hello. I am late. So it's turn to me to introduce our products. So the first can wait for me. Okay. So now it's my turn to introduce our products, and also I want to share some industrial knowledge to you guys, such as the market of Bagasse tableware products. Okay, so Bagasse tableware markets by material type, such as the plates, bowls, containers, cups, glasses, trays, and clamshell and cutlery. And also some applications such as some food, beverage, and user industrial, the commercial uses, institutional uses, sales channel, and others. Okay, now I mainly introduce the Bagasse tableware products market. The Bagasse tableware products market revenue is expected to register year-to-year growth of 4.3% and reach 1.95 billion US dollars in 2021. Okay, this demand of Bagasse tableware products will accelerate with top-tier players holding 25% to 30% of the total sales of Bagasse tableware products. And the study conducted by Future Market Insights estimates the sales of Bagasse tableware products will grow by 1.9% during the forecast periods. So I also want to share 3 countries markets to you guys. The first is the US. Okay, US, wait for me. US, okay. The US Bagasse tableware products market. Okay, the US is anticipated to hold 18% of total sales in North America till 2031, according to Biodegradable Products Institute. the shift in the circular economic in the US by promoting the products use and design of fully biodegradable and compostable products will accelerate the demand of eco-friendly tableware and packaging solution. And the second countries is the Germany. Okay, the Germany market is estimated to reach a variation of US of 220 US dollars month by 2031, according to German Trade and Invest in German. Hello, welcome to our new fan. Now I introduce a country sugarcane bagasse market to you guys. The second country is the Germany. Okay, the Germany. According to German Trade and West, in German, customers are more conscious about food nutrition and movement towards organic food products. Increasing fast-paced society, high demand for highly convenient foods, especially the convenient foods, including ready-to-eat meals, frozen foods, and packing food and beverage, is boosting the bagasse tableware products market in Germany. Okay, the last country is the India. The bagasse tableware products market in India will exhibit 9% during the focus periods. The growing awareness and benefits regarding the use of sustainable and environmental friendly products will push the sales of bagasse tableware products in India. Besides, this market will gain from the expansion of supermarket increase in FMCG products and
What is FMCG?
I don't know. And some shift in the e-commerce, yes,
right,
e-commerce
e-commerce.
centers. Okay. Three countries tableware bagasse bagasse tableware market is finished.
Can I have a look?
Okay, great.
Possible.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay. So continue to introduce our products. Which products you
just introduce.
introduce before?
Just now I introduced the
The clamshell.
plates and the
Clamshell.
square oval plates. That's all.
Okay.
So maybe we continue to introduce the box.
I haven't seen this
Haven't seen
color
this color?
because maybe this high. This product
It is hidden.
yes hidden.
This natural color.
This natural color. Okay, the white color is
The
this.
white color is this one.
This
Yeah, this
the same size.
the same sizes.
Oh,
Yeah,
the
the same sizes.
This look big than
This is bigger than size.
yes.
Yes.
Okay. Continue to introduce the burger box. Okay, the burger box. The color of this is brown color.
Brown color.
Yeah, the natural color, and the pattern is
The pattern is
之前说那个什么
the concave and convex.
yes, concave and convex. Yes, it's very fashion and the fashionable patterns. And it have a two lock, and the lock is very tight. And I will show how to lock this clamshell, this burger box. How to lock this burger box have a two lock and it's very tight. The lock is very tight, and the foot will not fall out. And it's easy to open it. Okay, easy to open it.
It's very easy to open it. So you can see on my hand, I lock it. So no matter how I use
It's
it,
easy to open it.
yes, how I shake it.
How I shake it, the shape of this will not get out.
Yeah, how
Yes.
I shake it is
Mm.
still keep very beautiful.
Mm.
Not open. Even I just catch the edge.
Yes.
Not open.
And see the sun is very sturdy, strong.
The
And the raw material of this is the sugarcane bagasse, so it is 100% eco-friendly, biodegradable. It can degrade in 90 days.
Yes,
So
90 days.
in the soil, yes.
So I know many Swedes or many families, they have a big garden.
Yes.
They have a big yard.
How to say?
It is
The rich family.
Rich family. So are you rich family? Are you from rich family?
All our customers are rich family, I think.
So maybe all our customers, they purchase a lot. They have a very, very big yard in their house, behind their house. So while after they use the tableware, they can just easily bury it under the soil. Then it will become the nutrients to keep growing the plants they grow in their garden, like some trees and flowers and maybe other vegetables, because it is compostable.
Yes.
Yes, the original material of it is sugarcane bagasse, which is 100% is natural fiber. So the fiber is compostable, and it can help to, after composting, it can help to grow the plants. So in our industry, they also have the relevant certifications that called the OK Home Compost
Yes.
certification. Yes.
Yes.
So it is mainly for the many houses have the yard in the upper behind the house. OK Compost certificates is for how to say, it's for approve the products itself is really compostable, no matter in industry compost or home compost.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a professional certification. Yes.
So before we have testing.
Yes.
We have testing and like an experiment in our office. We make transparent glass balls.
Yes.
And put the soil inside, and we put a salad box inside.
Yes. Yes.
And it is very interesting to see the biodegrading process of the salad box.
Yes.
Which we saw it from a complete one and started to have the yellow spot, yellow bacteria, and the yellow mold, and then continue to have the black. Then from the black spot, it started to be broken.
Yes.
And after that, the whole salad balls is being separated into two parts. And one part is because it is always in the soil, and the other part is because this is not covered with the soil. So the container is being separated into two parts.
Yes. We also make some videos of this biodegradable experiment.
Yes.
So you can see these videos in our shop and in our website. It's okay.
Yeah. So we have many videos about the testing.
About the testing we do.
We did many testing.
Such as the microwavable, ovens, and refrigerator. So continue to introduce
introduce
this one.
the bowl.
Okay.
Yes, this bowl is very popular. many customers ask for samples.
Oh, this bowl is very
Mm.
popular. Yes.
我买家就
Yes.
Although it doesn't have a lid. This bowl.
No, doesn't have a lid.
Oh, this bowl is have, but we also have some bowls with lids. Okay, this bowl doesn't have a lid, although it haven't a lid, but it's very useful. You can hold this bowl. Use this edge. This is called edge.
Edge.
Use this edge to hold this bowl. Although you put some hot soup or sauces,
Milk
milk,
from the refrigerator.
yes.
Cold milk.
it's okay.
And sauces.
Sauces,
And
sauces.
sauces.
Yes,
And very hot sauces, maybe the tomato sauces.
yes.
And very hot soup, mushroom soup. Yeah.
Mushroom soup. You always take
Talking about
this
this
mushroom soup.
because
You
I
like
don't
this?
know. No, because I don't know so much name of the soup.
Oh,
I
tomato
think
soup.
that has the Western style.
Okay.
Yes,
So-
it is waterproof and oil-proof.
Mhm.
That you can have the soup. You can have the hot or cold food with this bowl.
That's this bowl.
And
You
also
you
ice
can.
cream.
Yes.
Also ice
I want to
cream.
mention the ice cream. Yes, ice cream is okay, and you can put the ice cream in this bowl and then put it into the refrigerator. It's okay because this bowl is cold resistant, hot resistant.
And this yes.
Maybe this
last
one
week-
is this size, this shape is very suitable to put the ice cream. Yes.
last week a customer from Bahama.
Okay.
And he wrote me an email and saying, "Can I have the samples of your ice cream bowl on your page?" Then I immediately I don't know what is the ice cream bowl, maybe the title. So I immediately search our website on Google and I search ice cream, and finally I know that the ice cream bowl refers to this one.
This one? Oh,
Ice cream bowl.
maybe they use this bowl in the
Ice cream.
in the ice cream shop.
Yeah, so
Not
maybe
the-
I'm thinking if he is he owned an ice cream shop or ice cream store, so he asked him for ice cream bowl.
Oh yes.
So ice cream is very frozen.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
cold, and in the normal temperature, they will release many water outside the bowl,
Yes.
outside around the bowl.
Because ice cream will melt. Yes.
Yes, and the water in the air will come from the air into water. Will change from air into water. So the ice cream, the container hold the ice cream. The container the container around will have so many water. So maybe some customers will worry that with the ice cream inside and with the water, so many water outside, if this bowl still useful or it can be used, or if it will become very soggy or be broken. It is like an experiment we did in our other live streaming that we cook a portable hot pot with our container. That we show our customers, no matter inner or outside, full of the water or full of the steam water, that it will still keep the size, keep the shape, and keep the appearance of the container. It will not be soggy. It will not be broken. It will not be have the. You cannot see the fibers. That it is. You cannot see the fibers, and it will not be messy. It will not be soggy even with the water outside and in. So it is really suitable to hold to have the yogurt or to have the ice cream with this bowl.
Yes.
Also talking about just now this bowl. This bowl is also
Can you
yes, just because the
put some
size
ice cream?
the size is suitable.
Yes, we usually to use some cup
Cup
to hold the ice cream.
yes, cups to hold a light ice cream. So using if you have the restaurants or hotels, using our tableware, using the Bagasse tableware, you can no worry about it will be broken or if it will be soggy or messy because you think it is paper. You no need to worry about this point. You just need to worry is the size that if it is suitable to hold your food.
Yes.
Yes, because all the Bagasse tableware is waterproof and oil proof. You can use them the same as the plastic or the same as the tableware that made of the ceramic or made of the china.
Okay.
Other is so we want to introduce is the the fruit tray, and the meat tray.
Yes.
So what is the fruit tray? Maybe that kind of those
egg
style.
tray. This
Fruit tray.
fruit tray. I'll put some apple. Okay. This can put some apple in this tray. This tray. There are many holes on this tray because some apples or other fruits will have some water on their outside, so the water will leak out from these holes. The fruit or the apple, the grapes will keep the fresh in the refrigerator. Okay, and this is very strong and sturdy. You can see. I can find it. And the color. So hot.
I was hitting on the tray and Echo asked me, "Are you hurt?"
Yes, because I hear the
It's so
sound.
hot.
Yeah, it's so hot. And the color is the natural. So this is 100% eco-friendly, and you can see some chatter print on this tray, right at Earth choices.
Earth choices.
So it confirmed it is 100% eco-friendly.
Earth choices.
Okay, this tray.
And like
meat tray.
It is very thick. And yes, right. You can check the thickness of this one, maybe 2 millimeter.
Maybe.
Yes, maybe 1 millimeter. Maybe nearly it's around 1 millimeter. So it is really thick, and it is not easy to break it. Yes, it is
not easy to break it.
Yes, I press it. I press it. And you can see. My finger getting white, but the tray nothing. Because it's thick, and for meat is 100% safe.
Yes.
You can
this tray also is
it sounds like plastic.
Yeah, it sounds like plastic, but but this one is sugarcane Bagasse.
This one is also thick.
Yeah, it's also thick, and it's also strong, sturdy. You can hear the sound, and I can bend it.
Not so easy to bend.
It's very strong.
Very strong.
Yes. And this one also the fruit tray because you can put some such as the cherries, such as some
Grapes.
grapes.
Yeah,
Yes.
cherry tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes.
Cherry. And
And
small fruits.
small fruit such as what?
Small fruits such as
Blueberry. Okay.
or such as the
Strawberry.
such as the sliced fruit.
Light fruit. Oh, okay.
Sliced. Like the sliced bread.
Oh.
Sliced fruit, and that is already been cut.
Oh, you mean? Oh, okay.
That
Such
once
as
you
some
buy, you don't need
beef
to
slices.
slice it.
牛柳. What is it?
Yes. Well, I don't know. You can have take a whole sliced cut already be cut the fruits. That while you buy home, you don't need to cut it again.
Yes.
You can just directly eat it.
Yes. I today this afternoon I receive some inquiry in MIC. A customer asked me some this tray. Yes, because he want this sugarcane bagasse meat tray to alternative some plastic meat tray. Yes.
To alternative the plastic meat tray. Yes, they use the plastic.
They only send me a photo, but I guess he too 怎么说?
He want to.
He want this.
He is running a fruit shop. And he wants to have this eco-friendly packing to pack the fruit. Oh, that's good.
Yes.
So business are always changing, and the business is already it's already focused on the eco-friendly packing. Yes, every country are moving on. Every country is moving on. So the meat tray, those kind with the holes suitable for fruit that used for the water. The water can leak out from the little holes.
Yes.
And for this tray, for those tray without the holes,
sushi tray.
Sushi tray, which is rectangular sushi tray. And those sushi tray also with the nice.
Oh yes.
With the nice inner sushi tray, and this goes through for the meat.
The classic design for the sushi tray. All the sushi tray no matter the round material is plastic or the sugarcane bagasse, all the sushi tray is like this, just like this.
All the sushi tray is just like this. So
yes.
Just now I was saying an interesting thing is that people pay more and more attention of the appearance of a product. Right.
Appearance of product.
Appearance. The pattern. Or the whole what it is looking like. It's actually 100% the same. The same design, the same pattern. Appearance. The appearance, the surface, the appearance of a product. There are more and more people, more and more customers. They more prefer to looking for the exactly the same appearance, the same as what they are selling. Right.
Right.
For example, if before I communicate with one chili customer, and she wants to buy the hamburger box, and the sample I sent to her is this one.
This one?
Yes. And she told me that she don't want this one. She only wants the other one that has the knife.
I know.
Has the knife. And I talked to her, actually it's the same sizes.
Same sizes.
It's actually the same sizes.
The capacity is the same?
But she insisted on the design that have the lines. So interesting that
Interesting
more and more people
现象。
prefer to make treatment according to the appearance,
Yes.
to the picture. Because they cannot come to China, the only thing they can check is the pictures and videos.
Yes.
So it is more and more about mutual
Virtual.
trust,
Oh.
right? It's more and more about mutual trust.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So the fruit tray, meat tray introduction is finished. Next, I will introduce this another kind of meat tray. Yes, compartment tray. This has 5 compartment tray and maybe think very sturdy.
It's five compartment tray. There are 2 little small tray.
Little small
compartment.
Little small compartment.
And
Okay.
this is the largest compartment. And there is the second largest and the third largest compartment. Those 2 small compartments is very cute. That can pack the sauce, can put the sauces, can put the nuts, and can put the little things right here.
Little things, yes. Okay, this tray have a lid and maybe
all the trays have the lid.
Yes, all the tray have a lid, and it have maybe the height of this one is 2.5 inches, so you can put some liquid food. Because we also have another kind of 5 compartment meat tray, and the height of them is a little bit shallow. Yes.
Shallow.
This one is deeper, so you can put some liquid food. And the bottom of the meat tray is just like this. Okay.
For 5, this is 5 compartments, and here I share with you the 4 compartments. 4 compartments. This one, it is the size of it is small.
Small.
Yes, maybe you can compare that it is like a small baby, and then you can. But the capacity of it is large because of this one. If I use this tray to put the rice on this compartment, I think it's more enough.
Yes,
it's more than enough with this compartment. And second, those tray can put the meat and vegetables. That for this 4 compartment tray is totally enough for a lunch. Totally enough. So it comes with the lid.
And the design of this compartment is very special.
So,
next I will introduce these 3 compartments.
Okay.
Because you just now introduced some 4 compartments, and this one is 3 compartment tray, and this tray is also the design of this compartment tray is also very special because you can see the shape of this compartment is round and it's just like a bowl, so you can put some rices in this one, and also you can put some noodles, pasta is okay. And this one is the capacity is smaller than the others, so this one you can put some maybe some vegetables, some salad, or another very small food. Okay, this one you can put the main food, or you can put some meat. You can put the steak. It's okay. And if you put the steak in this one, the rice or some sauces, so you will get a perfect dinner or perfect lunch. Okay, this one has a lid, and you can see the lid is okay. The inner of this one is just like this, and the lid also is very strong. It's very sturdy. Yes, and it's a good matching with the meat. Yes, it's very tight, and the lids will not fall out. Two lids.
There are two legs.
Yes.
Right? There are two.
Two lids.
Yeah,
One lid.
too easy to hold in, so you can just simply hold this or hold like this or hold like this or hold like this.
Okay.
And you know what? With those food container, you will have no worries about it will hurt your hands, even with the very high temperature food inside. Yes, because we
This one.
did too many testings. We did in the microwave, in the oven. We did use the very boiled high temperature oil put into the tray. Yes, and we use the hand to hold it. Our hands have not have so serious hurt from the touching of the food container.
Yes.
So we got a conclusion that is we found the point that is the materials, it is natural fiber, it is kind of can protect your hand from hurt, protect your hand from being hurt. If you touch the surface of touch the bottom of this container with the hot food inside, yes. But if it is plastic, plastic cannot protect your hand, cannot reduce the heat.
Yes.
If the hot food inside, it will hurt your hand. But these materials will not. And for this is 5 compartment. 5 compartment. Here is another 5 compartment with the bowl. And below. No. Yes. This one is the 5 compartment. Yes, it's the 5 compartment. And what is the special is that there is a little bowl. There is a little bowl. And
Hello, welcome, Washington. No, Washington.
Paul. Nice to meet you.
WASHINGTON.
From
Washington.
WASHINGTON. Washington. Whatever. Anyway.
Whatever you come from, we all welcome.
Come from United States.
Come from China.
Maybe a company name.
Maybe.
I guess a company name. Anyway, wish you a good day. This is the 5 compartment Bagasse tray. Disposable Bagasse tray. The special is that there is here is a round bowl.
A round bowl.
And here is the biggest compartment.
Yes.
And here is the smallest compartment.
Yes. Okay. Turn around and see the inside of this compartment tray, and also the design. You can see the design is very special, and it's very beautiful and very fashionable. So if you are a restaurant hoster, you can use this one because you can put the rices or some meat on this compartment tray, and this one also have some lids. Also have a lid, and the lid will very high. If this it's very tight, and the food will not fall out. Yes. This is very tight.
It's very tight. The matching actually is good.
Yes, and
The sound.
我买家具我家。
Go, go, go.
and so you can see this one is very sturdy, strong, and the string will not get this compartment will not get out of the string.
It's so
Hardness.
hard, right?
Yes,
It's not so.
no, 就是很硬 the hardness.
Yeah. If there is a machine that can
The
tell
quality is good.
can tell you the load it can bear, the
Yes.
hardness it will be so good.
Yes.
Because we press it with the finger, and the finger from red color became white color, but the surface,
You mean you use much power?
yeah, but the surface of the container not change anymore.
Yes.
Yes, you can try it.
Okay.
It's very good quality. So hurt.
Yes, good.
So after that, let me introduce
Drop it.
your hand is too small to catch it.
Yes. You can see the lid will not fall out. Yes. Okay.
So the lid. So this mold, this highly recommend. And after that, I want to share is the sellable.
Cerebral. Okay. Cerebral.
Yes.
Also have the two compartments cerebral.
我买家具我家。
I find it. Two compartments cerebral. Okay. Two compartments cerebral. And this one is also two compartments cerebral. This one is also two compartments cerebral. Okay, now I will find a one compartment cerebral. Okay, hi, hello. Welcome to our new fans. We introduced some biodegradable sugarcane bagasse tableware. This one is the sugarcane bagasse cerebral, and those are both two compartments cerebral. We also have one compartment cerebral. So wait a minute, I will find the one compartment cerebral for you guys. And this cerebral also has a lid. And the height of the size, so dimension is different. If you want this one is the one compartment cerebral. One compartment cerebral. Yes, one compartment cerebral. One compartment cerebral. And this one have a lid. All our cerebral have a lid. I know many light meal restaurant. The light meal means some healthy food, some sour restaurant. They will use this sugarcane bagasse tableware cerebral to hold their sour, to hold some chicken, to hold other food, some live food. Yes, they will use this one. Many restaurant, many live food restaurant will order this kind cerebral. If you want two compartments, we also have two compartments cerebral. Two compartments. This one is one compartment cerebral. One compartment have a lid. All our cerebral have a lid. Okay, have a lid. And they are different. The strain, the size is different, but they all made from the sugarcane bagasse, so it is 100% biodegradable, compostable. So I very recommend you guys to use this one. Yes, I very like to watching some maybe some cooking vlog, some food vlog, some eating vlog. They will cook many delicious food for themselves, and they will use some food container to hold the food they cook. They always use this one to hold the salad, to hold the meat. Oh, yes, meat to hold some chicken. Okay, I recommend you guys to use this one. This one is very how to say? It's very beautiful. It's very classic, fashionable. You can see the design. And if you want to print your logo, we can do it for you guys because we accept customization. So you can send your logo or the sticker or some print for to me and to us, and we will do it for you. Okay, have a lid. Okay, next I will introduce some. Maybe I will introduce some very 特别 special clamshell. Cerebral is okay.
So what's the next step?
Next, maybe I will introduce this. Introduce the base
The cup. Here is the cups.
cup holders. This there are two 杯托，但是很难说
Cup holder.
cup holder.
Let
This
me
one.
take one.
Four cup holders. Four cups holder.
Cup holders. Four cup holders. You take this large coffee cup. I take this small coffee cup.
Small cup. This one is large coffee cup.
This one is a large coffee cup. This is 8 ounce. This is 12 ounce.
12 ounce. Okay. So this four cup holders is suitable for 12 ounce cup. Yes.
Yes, 12 ounce cup.
Yes. We also have some 8 ounce cup holders.
This is the
Many different size.
This is cup holders is suitable for any sizes of the water cup. And 我在点灯。
我也在点啊。
The cup holder is suitable for 8 ounce, for 12 ounce, for 60 ounce coffee cup. Maybe for 8 ounce is a little small. For 8 ounce is suitable. Maybe yes, a little small maybe. But for 12 ounce it is very stable. For 8 ounce it is very stable. Also for 12 ounce stable, for 60 ounce is also stable, and only for 8 ounce it is. Actually, for 8 ounce, only for 8 ounce is a little. It is a little. The diameter of the 8 ounce of the bottom is not so large, so it cannot be kept so well. So this one is the 12 ounce cup holder. Yes, 12 ounce cup holder. No, 8 ounce. This one is 8 ounce.
This one is the 12 ounce cup holder.
Yes, 12 ounce. And no matter how you hold it, and we shake for so many times. Yes. So it is big.
And the cup is
the cup. Yeah, actually we need to
我们有
introduce
它
the
可以
cup.
就是倒茶的时间。
Yes.
Okay, you
We have
continue.
the water cups and we also have the calories. Harming.
the third line.
The third.
At the bottom. The third line at the bottom.
This one.
No. Yes, the fork.
Okay.
Actually, I don't know how to say this fork. This water cup. Yes, actually we have the fork.
We also have this fork and the spoon and the knife, all made from the sugarcane, yes. And it's very strong and sturdy, is it? It's very strong, sturdy, and very eco-friendly cutlery. Yes, the fork. This is the forks.
Yes, forks. And we have a spoon. We have a knife. And we have another style of spoon.
Yes.
White color.
Yes.
What's your question?
Real question.
You just
Real question.
I was hearing you.
I answered your question. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, this is the fork. This fork is very hard. Actually, it will be hurt. It will use so much power to
so much power to pour water.
yes, like my behavior. If you use so much power, your hand will be so hurt. And yes, the fork, the calories, including fork, knife, and spoon. And mostly the Western countries, they use the knife and fork.
Western country.
They use the knife and fork.
Yes.
Yes.
They always use
And
this.
in our party last Sunday, in one our live streaming, we held a live streaming party. Then we have the pizza.
We have the pizza.
Yes, our colleague.
Yes.
He was eating a pizza. Then he used the knife and the fork to cut the pizza to eat.
To cut the pizza to eat.
Yes, to cut the pizza to eat.
To use this as our.
And we still keep the video.
Oh yes.
Yes, I took the video. You can ask me to send you the video that my colleague used the fork and knife to eat the pizza. It is very useful because the knife and fork, firstly, it is not sharp if it is used to punch on hand, but it is sharp if you use to cut the food.
Yes.
It's very useful. Yes, this the
spoon,
the knife.
the knife,
Yes.
the knife, the spoon. Yes.
The knife and spoon.
我买家电我掉了。
Hello.
What's the name?
Hanza.
Hamza. Right?
Yes. Welcome.
Welcome.
And we
Nice to meet
introduced
you.
the Sugarcane Bagasse cutlery.
Yes. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment. Yes, we can notice your comment and reply at once.
Yes. Hear the song.
Hear the song, right? Let me check.
哇，小心。
You can check because my microphone is here.
They can hear the sound.
I put it on. You guys check the sound. Okay.
They can hear.
Be quiet. Right? So I think I don't need to say anything.
Great. Hear the sound of this knife.
Yes, with this knife and fork, knife and spoon, and because there is the knife, here is some You can show that here has some, how to say, you show it from the camera. Here has some, yeah, this shape. And I will tell you and then I will use the knife to show you the sound. From the sound, you can know the quality. Okay.
I can hear the sound.
The sound smells so good. It seems like that the sound already expressed everything. Already expressed the good quality of the funk.
Yes.
It's very good quality.
You
the
just
coloring.
you just like engineer
Engineer.
to build a house.
Just want to show you the quality. I think this
raw material.
This testing can say much more than what I'm saying. Can approve much more than what I'm saying.
Yes. And next,
Introduce
all the products we introduced just now. We have the bowl. The bowl. We okay. The bowl. The bowl have a lid, and the shape of the lid is very special. And beside this, okay, the bottom of this bowl, the lid will not fall out because it's very tight. Yes. And the inside of this bowl, okay, maybe it's a little bit dirty.
Maybe
use this one to hold another thing.
to do testing.
Yes. Do the testing. It's very sticky. Yes.
Right?
Hardness.
It's very hot. Yes. And the lid on this bowl is also very good matching.
Good match.
Good matching. Because normally people will not with the food inside. People will not shake too.
Yes.
Shake too much, right? Hey.
This one.
This one.
Burger box. Very hot stuff product.
Actually, our live streaming is already last for 2 hours. In the coming future, we will have in the coming
Next week.
We will in the coming soon future we will plan a live streaming in our factory.
Oh yes. In our factory.
In the coming future, we will plan a live stream. We will plan live streamings. Yes, in our factories, and so show you the production lines.
Yes.
Show you the inner structure of our factory. Show you the equipment. Yes, machines and production techniques that you can know more about our products. Yes, we also will invite our customers to see our factory.
Yes. We very welcome our customer to see our factory.
Yeah. Keep following our Alibaba page. We will have more surprises.
Yes, keep following.
Yeah, we will have more and more surprises from our MIDA eco-friendly products.
Yes.
Corporation Limited.
Yes, welcome many new fans to follow our
MIDA.
Our
MIDA.
Our live stream.
So let's see next week.
Okay. Bye. 2個鐘未夠。
2個鐘。
拜。